Next question number 5. In figure, PR, this side which is greater than PQ. So which is the greater side? PR is greater side. PR is greater than PQ. Okay. And PS bisect angle QPR. So I am joining the line PS. It is bisecting the angle QPR. That means this angle QPS is equal to RPS, right? Because it is dividing the line PS, line dividing the angle QPR into two equal parts. It is bisecting. That means it is dividing the angle QPR into two equal parts. Okay. So we have to prove here angle PSR which is greater than angle PSQ. Okay. So I am starting from the given point. What is given here? PR is greater than PQ. What is the reason I written here, which is given in the question? So opposite angle I am taking. Which is the greater side? PR. Opposite angle of PR is this Q. This Q we can write it as PQR. Angle PQR which is greater than PQ. This side opposite angle is PRQ. So angle PRQ, I am putting it as equation number 1. What is the reason? Reason you should write in the bracket. Angle opposite to the longer side is greater. Correct? So again we know that these two angles are equal because this is bisecting this angle. Correct? So I am writing that angle. This angle how can we write? QPS. Angle QPS which is equal to angle RPS. RPS, this angle. So this angle is equal to this one. We got it here. What is the reason here? Since PS is bisector. Okay. PS is bisecting the angle P. So we can write here angle QPS is equal to angle RPS. Next I am taking the triangle PQS. PQS, this left hand side triangle. Okay. So in triangle PQS, I am going to apply angle sum property of triangle. Angle PQS plus angle QPS plus angle PSQ. I am writing here angle PQS plus angle QPS plus angle PSQ. Sum of all these three angles should be is equal to 180 degree. And applied here angle sum property of triangle. What is the reason? Angle sum property of triangle. From here I am going to calculate angle PSQ. This one, angle PSQ. I am calculating this angle. Okay. So this angle I am calculating angle PSQ. How can we write here? This 180 degree minus of these two terms we have to take onto the right hand side. So I am putting bracket here angle PQS plus angle QPS. Okay. So this equation I am putting it as equation number 3 and this is 1 and QPS is this one. This is equal to I am putting it as equation number 2 because these 1, 2, 3 equations we have to use in the next steps also. Okay. That is why I am naming these equations. So next I am taking similarly in triangle PRS. I am going to calculate angle PSR. Angle PSR we can write it as 180 degree minus just like this minus of remaining two angles SPR and PRS. Correct? So I am writing here 180 degree minus angle PRS plus angle RPS written here and putting it as equation number 4. Okay. Now I am substituting this RPS. What is the value of RPS? RPS is equal to, here we done is equal to angle QPS. So instead of this RPS, I am writing here angle starting here. Angle PSR is equal to 180 degree minus of angle PRS plus instead of this RPS we can write angle QPS because both are same. Angle QPS. Okay. So now I written angle PSR is equal to 180 minus of PRS plus QPS. So if you are checking these two equations, one is this one and the other one is this one. Okay, so from these two equations we will get angle PQS, which is PQS. This is angle PQS, should be angle PQS, angle PQS. From here I am writing, we got here angle PQR is greater than angle PRQ, correct? So from equation number 1 we can write angle PQR. What is angle PQR? PQR, that means PQR is same as PQS, correct? So instead of this PQR we can write PQS. So I am writing, instead of this PQR, from equation number 1, instead of this PQR I written it as angle PQS, which is greater than angle PRQ. PRQ, instead of this PRQ we can write it as PRS, right? So I am writing angle PRS. So we got it, angle PQS is greater than angle PRS. So comparing these two angles, PQS is the greater one, correct? So if you are checking these two equations, here 180 minus this greater angle is adding with the QPS, correct? Here also we are adding QPS, but here we adding the lesser angle. So this is adding greater one and this is adding lesser angle. So if you are adding greater angle and same number, you will get a greater number. That 180 minus greater number, you will get a small number. This method I explained in the previous class. You can check the previous video also. Okay, here one less number I am adding with the same number, so we will get a less number comparing with this. Okay. If we are comparing these two numbers, we will get here less number, here greater number. So 180 minus greater number, we will get again less number. Here it is, we will get less number. 180 minus less number, we will get here greater number. Understood? Suppose here it is greater number 180 minus, if we are subtracting here 100, we will get 180 minus 100, we will get 80. Okay, here it is less number, these two numbers sum. So if I am subtracting 180 minus 70, which is less than 100, we will get answer is equal to 110. So this will get greater one, this will get smaller one. So we can write from here angle PSQ. This is, we will get less one, correct? So PSQ is less than angle PSR. So I am reversing this one. First I am writing PSR, angle PSR, which is greater than angle PSQ. This one we have to prove. So after that you should write hence proved theorem. Okay.